To use Quick Share on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, it is pretty simple. Most of the time, you can just try to share any file that you want to send to someone. So let's say if I choose these couple of photos that I have in here in my gallery, then of course I can use the share button and straight away I should be able to find the quick share option. If I tap over here, I will be redirected to the quick share menu, and over here now I can try to find other nearby devices. Of course, you can also generate the QR code or a link, and that can be used in order to get those files. So in case you have trouble with finding other devices, you can just use this link or this QR code and let the other device scan this QR code or get this link, or you can just send it to someone. You can of course copy the link as well and just paste it and send it to someone. That works as well. And generally speaking, you can also open the quick share menu quite easily by going to the control center or quick settings panel. In here we can find, at least by default of course, the quick share button, so you can tap on it in order to open the quick share menu. And if that other person stays in this receive menu, then you can be pretty much certain that they can be detected in the send menu instead. And if you want to send, then of course we can go to send and we can select files and then the device, if the other device can be found of course. So that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.